Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can use your cell phone in OBS. So you can use the microphone, you can use the camera, you can walk around with it and have it go directly either to your stream or your recording in OBS. Very simple, so let's go ahead and jump right in. First thing you'll have to do is add a new source in OBS, and you're going to select browser and then give it a name. I've already done this with cell phone here, so let's just take a look at it. So once you add it, all you have to do is add the URL. Now where you get this URL, take your phone, open up your favorite browser. I'm using Chrome. Go to vdo.ninja. That's like Victor Delta Oscar, vdo.ninja. Once you're there, just click on share camera, if that's what you're trying to do, obviously, in most cases, and click on start. You can select which camera, the front camera, back camera. Go ahead and click start, and then you'll get that URL. And once you have the URL, paste that in right here under the URL section of the browser that you added, and that's it. Now we just turn this on, and voila, guys, I've got my not my webcam, I've got my cell phone as a camera right here in OBS. So very straightforward. If you notice on mine, I have disabled the microphone. There's an option for that right here, just because I'm already using my headphones, but you could use that as well. So maybe you're doing a live stream, or maybe you're recording a video and you need to walk and go show someone something on the other side of the room. Now you've got your phone with you. You don't have to unhook your camera or anything like that. So figured I'd share this with you. I was getting a video set up. I'm actually going to be working on my Raspberry Pi 4, one of them. Probably start a series on that. I'm going to set this up today to boot from USB, and then I'm going to look into probably Berry boot for multi-boot options, get some different distros going, and then probably start a few projects, or at least one project, and we'll see where it goes, see how much you guys enjoy the Raspberry Pi content. But yeah, I was getting that all set up, and I needed to use a camera. I don't have my 90D out here attached yet. Still kind of working on how I want to get that all set up. So I was like, hey, why not just use my cell phone, So had to refresh my memory on how to do it. It's been a little bit, and I figured why not make a quick video to show you guys how to do it. So hopefully this helped you out. I think it's a super useful tip. Let me know what you guys think. Are you using a different method to get your cell phone camera and or microphone into OBS? Let me know. I'd be curious. All right, guys. Hope you're all having a great day. Until the next video, take care.